really excited about our trailer today. We've just shown it to some of our friends in the media, and we've got an amazing response so far. And we're all really excited for everyone else to see it tomorrow. I think it's going online, or it's going to be out. I think at 10 a.m. tomorrow. And I think everyone's just made this film with a lot of love. We've all put our heart into it, our soul. Nitya's hard work, Nitya's talent.
It's fun.
And yeah,
new.
And we have these two
unique.
gorgeous people.
we put a little bit of work into our bodies as well, just a little bit.
Katrina, fitness will be the talk of the. I mean, you will be the talk of the town as far as fitness goes. So, how difficult?
It has more than fitness. I think.
There's a lot more than fitness.
Yeah, I know that. I mean, we'll come to that. Yeah.
Okay, come talk about your diet. क्या खाया आपने shoot के दिन में? What did you eat?
I mean, if you're gonna, I think there was a portion in the film where Nitya wanted a very different look to the rest of the film for a reason which you will come to know when you see the film. So for that, we just kind of decided that let's really, get really, really fit and cool down.
She gave up water,
and I gave up a lot of nice things in life.
salt, carbs.
A few other things.
She's a passionate, disciplined human
Passionate,
being.
disciplined
Passionate, disciplined human being.
Training.
That's why.
She didn't walk in the sand because of the wind was blowing. She even avoided sand blowing into her face. Sandstorms. She's very particular about her skin and her water intake. Very excited. हमें बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला है गाने पे. Super excited to show people the trailer. एक मोशन पोस्टर निकाला था, उसमें थोड़ी बहुत कहानी दिखती है आपको. तो people have found that very intriguing. और होपफुली ये इंट्रिग बढ़ता रहेगा और लोगों को कहानी पसंद आएगी और ट्रेलर पसंद आएगा. Yes, I think fresh pairing. Me and Katrina Kaif for the first time. Love story है, एक high concept कहानी है. It's never been done before हिंदी फिल्म में कि जहाँ पे आप what if you could see the future of your love. And अभी मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बताना चाहता पिक्चर के बारे में. आप ट्रेलर देखेंगे आपको समझ आएगा. टाइम ट्रैवल पिक्चर नहीं है. एंड आई थिंक बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग रोल था, बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग पिक्चर है, एक अलग नैरेटिव है. सो होपफुली लोगों को हंसी भी आएगी, प्यार भी होगा और मज़ा भी आएगा. How do you work out chemistry together?
Just don't fight. Play nicely. Try not to
professional
poke each other
actors.
in the eyes. Try not to hit each other. Share the center of the stage.
If she doesn't know.
That I will be disappointed.
Exactly. In the round table, इनको अभी तो multiple cameras है. She doesn't know where the center is, so she's still standing here. If there was only one camera, I would have been here and she would have been in the center. So I introduced Katrina to a duet song.
We love each other.
Yes. We are going for the Dream Team tour. पहली बार I think 8 stars एक साथ जा रहे हैं US tour के लिए. हम लोग 6 cities करेंगे इस महीने. And super excited for it. अब बहुत मेहनत से हम रिहर्स कर रहे हैं लोगों के लिए. Skits कर रहे हैं, डांसिंग होगा, मस्ती होगी, पुराने नए गाने होंगे. So yeah, really looking forward to going and entertaining the US.
So in real life, I'm not really running behind Siddharth to marry me. But I mean, if I did, I don't know what he'd say.
Real life, nobody's running after anybody to get married. But I think beyond that, but in the film, I think it's far more interesting, and you'll realize that, I mean, there's a reason why this character does not know what is happening in his life. Because एक important journey पे जाता है. उस journey को इसको पता नहीं कि कैसे वो जर्नी शुरू हुई, उसका पर्पस क्या है, और पिक्चर के एंड में उसको समझ आता है कि क्या पर्पस था उसका. And yeah, I think that's what again one of the USPs of the film.
I think it's I remember, like I've said this in the round table, you've seen it, that Karan ने जब script पढ़ी थी, we had sent it to Siddharth and we've been wanting to work together, both of us. Karan has been wanting to work and collaborate. And उसने जब script पढ़ी, actually उसने मुझे चीज़ बताई कि ये script उनके पास गई थी and उन्हें बहुत पसंद आई थी. And he said, actually this is the movie I wanted to direct, you know. But I said you can always come on board and we'll make it together, because we've been finding the right script to collaborate, and we found that in Baar Baar Dekho. So it's been wonderful to work with him, Apurva and the entire team.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.